Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. This is the 3D Viewmaster 21 image science fiction story number 1, Star Wars, Attack of the Clones. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away. Picture 2. Obi-Wan Kenobi and Anakin Skywalker are two of the finest Jedi in the galaxy. Picture 3. To protect Senator Padme Amidala, Obi-Wan and Anakin chase the enemy. Picture 4. The Jedi Council is determined to identify the mysterious enemy. Picture 5. Obi-Wan goes to the secret planet Kamino to investigate. Picture 6. Obi-Wan is shown a secret army of clones being built on Kamino. Picture 7. Master Yoda senses an evil plot. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 8. Anakin and Padme discover the droid factory on the planet Geonosis. Picture 9. Obi-Wan, Anakin and Padme are captured by the evil Dooku. Picture 10. Obi-Wan, Anakin and Padme must fight a giant beast. Picture 11. Obi-Wan, Anakin and Padme capture the next beast. Picture 12. Dooku sends in the droid army to combat them. Picture 13. R2-D2 and C3PO also join in the combat. Picture 14. The Jedi Knights arrive with the clones to help defeat the droid army. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 15. A new battle begins. Picture 16. Count Dooku is exposed as the evil enemy behind the war. Picture 17. Anakin challenges the powerful Dooku but loses. Picture 18. Master Yoda is more than a match for Dooku. Picture 19. Dooku, unable to defeat Yoda, flees. Picture 20. Anakin and Padme are hopeful peace will come soon. Picture 21. But the Clone Wars have only just begun. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.